Today's video is about the spring kits. So you can see here, I'm trying to work out how much pressure that is. Really, like, not even ounces, like under an ounce of pressure. And what happens is there's these kits you can buy. And they really contain 4 springs that you put under each arm. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of how to put it in because it's super simple. So the first step is take out just the front screw. Set it somewhere you won't lose it. These are nice quilted carpet. Then pivot up on the bracket, which gets this thing off. Set it aside. And then underneath this gasket, so you just have to pull. Tripod would have been good. Pull up on the gasket, you'll see. And then right here, you'll see all of those points. And what we're going to do, we're going to take one of each spring, put it over the bottom, tilt your angle like that. And so there's 4 of them. Let me take less than 2 minutes. We'll put them all in. Kind of a two-handed job. We got 2 of them now. One to go. I tend to push the lever over the bottom. Okay. Now when we come back, way stiffer. And what does this do? It's just giving you a little bit more resistance so that the levers aren't rushing from one side to the other, causing jerky motions. And so the next step will be two-handed operation. Pull the skirt back down, put the cover back on, put the screw back in, and you're done. Just remember, there's this one and that one. You get 8 springs in the kit. I can't tell you who makes the kit or where they're from. My buddy John got them, but more on that in the future.